Alright, hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today was kind of like an impromptu video. I decided that I was going to do like a entrepreneur inventory like storage haul type thing. I just got back from Walmart and I bought a whole bunch of storage for like my bottles and my my oils, my containers and all that stuff. Still do have a few stuff on the way, so obviously I'll just pop back into this video once that stuff actually gets here. But this is going to be the start of my entrepreneur videos, vlogs, like business vlogs. So as you guys, well, you don't know because I haven't told y'all yet, but I am starting my own business. I want to plan my actual launch day around the end of the year. I'm not sure exactly what day I'm going to do it yet. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do this haul. All right, so the first thing is this little storage unit right here. And this was a 3-drawer cart. And these are just how big the actual like carts are, which I like. They're a nice size for my stuff. I need to go ahead and set it up. I'll do that in the time-lapse part of this. And this one's taped, but this, I just needed this to store like my bottles, my oils, my containers, all of that. I think this was about, I want to say $14, and I got it at Walmart. And then these are some tinier ones that I want to put on top, and they were $6.99. They're really cute, really small. These are better for probably like some ingredients. I don't know what I'm thinking of putting in here yet, but I'll definitely figure it out. And I just got 2 of them and they're gray. Then I also got this ottoman. I got this collapsible ottoman. It's 15 by 15 by 15 and it is a chair and it's a storage container. I saw this, I think this was about $20. I have this big mirror and I always want to take pictures in front of my mirror, and sometimes I want to take pictures sitting down and I have nowhere to sit. So this ottoman I felt like was perfect for getting some seated pictures as well as having another form of storage. I got these for mixing in ingredients and being able to like scrape them off the side. So that's what these are for. And some of the products that I'm going to be making, it's better if I don't use metal with them. So I got plastic spatulas. I got some packing tape. Oh, this was I think 88 cents at Walmart. I also got these at Walmart. I got everything in this bowl at Walmart. This was about $4. I got these measuring cups, and these are the ones with the actual measurements engraved on them. That's what I was looking for. These were at Walmart for about $2, and I just got some pink ones because they were really cute. They also had a bunch of different colors. These are specifically going to be used for measuring out my products, so these are not going to be in the kitchen at all. These are strictly business products only. These are just some mixing bowls that I got. So I think these were, I want to say 50 cents each at Walmart, and I just got a cute blue one and then this really cute white one. I wanted to get different sizes because I didn't know how big of portions I was gonna have to make, so I just got 4. Alright, so the next thing is this glass scale. I got this at Walmart for I think $11, and this is just to measure out my products. It has ounces and grams. The next thing I got was just a regular one subject notebook, and this is going to be solely for business purposes only. This is going to be to track my spending, to track inventory, all of that stuff. I got a regular clipboard, except this one was cute. It's like a teal color and it has like gold detailing clip, so I thought that was cute. I think this was about $3. The one subject notebook I think was just over $1, and yeah, both of these were from Walmart. I also got these Avery round labels, so this is going to go on my packaging. And then this is just premium cardstock paper. This is about $6-7, and this is what I'm going to use to make my thank you cards. Next thing I got is this trash can. Obviously I need a place to throw away. I had a trash can before, but this one just was bigger, and it was marble, and I think this is about $4. It's like $3 and some change. Okay, on to actual stuff. We're gonna start with this. In this box is some of my ingredients. So rose petals, because one of my products is gonna need rose petals. These are pipettes. This was a 300 count bag of pipettes. All of this stuff is from Amazon, by the way. I got a huge thing of syringes, and then I got 4 oils. I got jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oil. So that's all for this. Of course, I will link this stuff in the description box if you're interested in getting it. But these oils are very good for the skin. Yes. And then the next thing I got from Amazon was this 80 count of dropper bottles. So I'm pretty sure y'all can already tell what I'm making, but this is just one of the bottles. Alright, so I got these dropper bottles, and they are 2 ounces. They're the perfect size, and I'm pretty sure I got 80 for $50 or $60. Last but not least, I have a package from Bulk Apothecary. So if you don't know, they're just a place where you can get ingredients and containers, and I got these 8-ounce jars. I don't have the lids for these just yet. I'm waiting on them to come back in stock. Yeah, these are PET jars, and you want to make sure that you're getting PET jars if you're doing skincare, because other regular plastic, the ingredients that you put in your products can actually degrade the plastic, and the plastic will seep into your products. So you want to make sure that you get PET jars that are safe for if you put certain oils or certain products in there, they won't just like melt or disintegrate. So yeah, and I got 50 of these jars, and I think 50 of the jars were $22.50 with shipping. Shipping was also like another $18. So shipping and tax, and then the cost of the thing, it came out to about $40. So that's what I got. And with ordering from Bulk Apothecary, it is better to order more than less, because you are going to have to pay for shipping every single time, unless you're spending over $250, then you don't have to pay for shipping. But yeah, alrighty you guys, it is the next day. Of course I'm gonna insert this in the clip like right after I'm done unboxing all the other stuff, but I think these are my organza bags, so we're about to open those up real quick. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, so this is like my receipt. Of course I'm gonna keep that, and these are my organza bags. Aren't they beautiful? So I got like a goldish brown, and then I got like a chocolatey brown. If y'all see my logo and like my overall brand, then you would understand why I did these colors. But they're gorgeous. I'm pretty sure 10 come in each bag. These got here pretty fast. So I got one of my bottles, and the idea is to do something like this. I'm definitely gonna go back and order some bigger ones. These are the 4x6. I'm gonna get like the 6x8s, and yeah, but for right now the 4x6s are perfect. I ordered 100 of each color. So these are how they look in the bags. They're so cute. Okay, I'm so happy with these colors. Alright, so I have the thing set up. Alright, my little trash can is over here. It's kind of dark, you can't really see it, but it's there. And starting off, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. So I just have my labels and my cardstock paper on top, as well as my clipboard and my journal, because those will be the most used things, so they'll be on top. That way they're easily accessible. In this drawer, all I have is like instruction guides, receipts, all of that, and then I have my tape. All of these are empty. I have to find some way to fill them. But in this drawer now we have our oils, my scale, my rose petals, my spatulas, and my bowls and measuring cups. In this drawer we have all of my jars, my pipettes, and my syringes back there. And then in this final jar, the heaviest one, I have all my bottles and some more jars. So this is what we're going with so far. Of course, I'm gonna buy more storage as needed and as necessary. After a while, I'm going to move all this stuff out of my room and maybe into the garage once we clean that garage out, or into the guest room. That way, if I need more space, I'll have it. Whenever I get my organza bags, they'll probably go in here. I bought 200 organza bags for about $25 at a website called Tablecloth Factory. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. So yeah, that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.